Hi folks, so last year was my first attempt at growing potatoes, as you can see here, and carrots. So if you check out last year's videos on my potato and carrot crops, my videos, you'll be impressed. But this year I've did a few things differently. I planted these just over a month ago, on April the 7th. And now look at them now, fantastic. And there's my carrots, there's the shoots, the sprouts coming through, starting to leaf. So all I did this year was for the potatoes, I used some bigger tubs, and I'm experimenting with a bag, just a, bag for life type thing. So I'll harvest these probably in July, first week of July. So I'll get maybe above average sized salad potatoes from them. Probably a week's worth of potatoes, maybe 7 meals worth for me and my wife. And all we used was, here you go, this Asda multi-purpose compost, 3 bags for a tenner. So all I did was I let the potatoes sprout in a cupboard, then I just covered them loosely in the soil, water once a day, and let nature take its course, because my house is south facing, so it gets the sun all day long. And I did one more trick that I forgot to mention. I'll show you here. I used these crushed up eggshells. So keep your eggshells, wash them out, crush them up, and mix that in with your compost. Calcium, potassium, nutrients, and it helps the plants grow quicker. And I believe that is why my plants have grown that bit quicker this year, because I've got the mixed up eggshells in there too. So, just food for thought folks, excuse the pun. Experiment, 3 for a tenner, seeds, you've got seeds in Asda's, and you've got spare tubs. So, don't be bored in the lockdown, get out in your garden and get digging and get planting. Right, thank you, bye bye.